The old rules of money died in 2022. The AI hype cycle peaked in 2024. If you're still following the advice your parents gave you, you're not building wealth. You're just getting broke in a more expensive way. Welcome to 2026. The era of 0% interest rates is a distant memory. Global AI spending is hitting $2.5 trillion this year. But while the traditional paths are crumbling, new, absurdly lucrative doors have opened. Today, we're breaking down every viable way to get rich in 2026 and 2027. Choose your character. You don't know Python, you don't know C++, but you know how to solve problems. In the 90s, building a software company took months and millions of dollars. Today, you're an AI automator. You don't sell hours, you sell outcomes. You set up an AI receptionist for a local business that saves the founder 10 hours a week and increases bookings by 20%. Companies are dropping over $1 trillion this year just to build the backbone of their AI futures. You are the middleman bringing that tech to Main Street. You charge a $2,000 monthly retainer. You get 10 clients. You're making $20,000 a month. The catch? If your AI hallucinates and insults a client, you're the one getting sued. You play it safe, you get the degree, you get the job. Since 1971, productivity and wages have completely decoupled. Your salary buys less every single year. But you have a secret weapon. You automate 20% of your income into diversified index funds. You ignore the crypto bros. You ignore the stock pickers. The finance gurus tell you about the magic of compound interest. What they don't tell you is that the hockey stick growth takes 30 to 40 years. 95% of Warren Buffett's wealth was made after he turned 60. The NPC path works, but you have to be willing to wait until your knees hurt to enjoy it. You don't want to wait 40 years. And you know the traditional 60-40 portfolio is dead. You realize the real growth is happening before companies even go public. Global alternative assets are hitting $32 trillion this year. You are part of Gen XYZ, you want higher yields, and you're willing to take the risk. You invest in private markets and alternative funds, but here is the reality check. These aren't your grandfather's blue-chip stocks. When the market turns, you can't just hit sell on your phone. You are locked in. You're 22. It's 3 a.m. You're doom scrolling. You see a coin named after a misspelled internet joke. You throw $200 at it because why not? A rocket ship animation blasting off, followed immediately by it crashing and burning. We all hear the stories. The guy who turned $27 into $900,000. But for every Christopher Koch, there are 10,000 people holding worthless Shiba Inu tokens. It's not investing, it's a casino with better marketing. You realize the real money isn't in building the next big app. It's in buying boring businesses. You buy a traditional, profitable small business, HVAC, plumbing, pest control, from a retiring boomer. Then you layer in 2026 technology. You use AI to automate dispatch, customer service, and bookkeeping. You take a 15% profit margin and turn it into 30%. It's not glamorous. You won't be on the cover of Forbes, but you own a cash-flowing asset while the tech bros are begging for VC funding. You want the ultimate shortcut. No grind, no strategy, just boom. Americans spend billions on the lottery every year. The odds? 1 in 300 million. You are more likely to be struck by lightning while being attacked by a shark. Here is the darkest part. The lowest income brackets spend a disproportionate amount of their wealth on these tickets. It is a tax on desperation. The house always wins. You decide to hustle online. You sign up for Fiverr, you think you're building a freelance empire. But it's 2026. Low-skill digital work is dead. AI does it faster, cheaper, and better. If you are selling your time to do basic data entry or generic copywriting, your income potential is zero. You aren't competing against other freelancers anymore. You are competing against a server farm that doesn't sleep. You want wealth that lasts beyond your lifetime. Generational wealth. Let's look at the ultimate long game. The Amish population doubles every 22 years. They average 7 children per family. By the year 2200, there could be 100 million Amish in America. True generational wealth isn't just about money. It's about culture, values, and resilience. The number one predictor of resilience in children is knowing their family stories. You can build all the AI systems in the world, but if you don't build a foundation for your family, the wealth disappears in 3 generations. So, what's the play for 2026 and 2027? The easy money is gone. The AI hype is turning into AI reality. Compounding takes decades, and crypto is a casino. The new rule is simple. Stop selling your time, start selling outcomes. Use AI as leverage, buy cash-flowing assets, and protect your downside. Which path are you taking? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to see the exact AI tools the automators are using right now, hit subscribe for part 2.